What's up everybody? Good morning sa inyong lahat and welcome na naman to another motovlog of Sailor John here. So today is afternoon. It's about 1 o'clock p.m. here on Libertad, wherein I will be traveling to Cavite via Cavite, no? So yeah, I will be traveling to Cavite via Cavite. And for today's video is I will give you 5 tips when you are driving a motorcycle, so that you will always be safe and always is accident free, no? So this will be my 5 tips I will give to you based on my 4 years experience of riding motorcycle around the city and anywhere. So today guys, napaka-traffic, or I would say this is a normal traffic na, no, around Pasay. So MGCQ na rin ata dito if I'm correct. And yeah, if I'm correct, that is it. MGCQ na ata rito. So we're now here in Baclaran, and as you can see guys, smooth naman. Wala na talaga yung mga naglo-loading and loading dyan, and all are actually fine. And maganda naman yung weather, hindi maulan, hindi rin naman sobrang init, medyo makulimlim naman kahit papano. So I would guess it's the perfect weather for those who are riding a motorcycle, yeah. So guys, for the first tip I will give to you, this is very applicable, no? Hindi lang sa pagmumotor, pwede rin sa car, no? So always calm your mind. So when you're riding a motorcycle, always have or always calm your mind. Huwag kayong magpapadala sa emosyon. Example, angry mobs kayo or high blood, huwag kayong gagawa ng desisyon na pabalang huli pagsisisihan nyo rin. So that is my first advice. Grabing ride yun, ang bilis. Grabing motorsiklo to. Superman. Alright, we're now here on the entrance to Cavite. Yeah. Alright, so that is guys, that is the first advice I will give you. So you will always be safe on the road, always be good and ready to go. So that is it guys, always calm your mind. Huwag tayong papadala sa emosyon, huwag tayong gumawa ng desisyon kapag tayo high blood, naiirita at napakarami pang emosyon. So yun guys, always apply that, hindi lamang sa motor pero pwede rin apply yun sa life. And that's it. Shit. For the number 2 guys, na tip na ibibigay ko para sa inyo is always assess the road, no? Road condition, and then kailangan think ahead, diba? So yun siya, assess the road condition and then think ahead. So kailangan bago ka pumasok sa isang sitwasyon, hindi lang naman sa pagmumotor, sa buhay, kailangan think ahead and assess mo muna what will happen if I will do this and that. Ito yung kalabasan. What will happen if I will do this and this? Ito yung kalabasan. So always assess the road condition and think ahead. Isipin mo rin yung ano yung iniisip na ibang driver. Isipin mo rin kung ano iniisip mo, kung tama ka ba pag-iisip, mga ganun ba. So yun yung mga advice ko ng mga we're now here in Expressway. As you can see, it's afternoon. This is the condition here. So, dito na tayo guys. Napaka-smooth lamang ng ating biyahe. Pogi-pogi. Napaka-smooth. Grabe guys, ang lakas talaga ni RC390. Mama! Hey, Damel! Banking pa more. Putang ina mo, lubak. Alright, we're now here in Bacoor, Cavite. So napaka-smooth lang naman biyahe natin sa Expressway. Sulit na sulit si RC390. Napaka-pogi, macho sigurado, panalo, ganado. Ganado. Alright, so guys, for the number 3 sign, always what? Check your side mirrors. Kailangan guys, always check your side mirrors. Whenever you will go left, you will take a turn on the left, or you will take a turn on the right, because you never know if there is actually a car or a motorcycle, a bike, a pedestrian man, a dog, or what. Kung meron bang mga ganyan sa atin, no? So kailangan always check your side mirror. So yan yung isa sa magandang tip, na hindi lang ako lang naman yan, pati nung nag A1 driving ako, yan na yung advice sa akin nun. Always check your side mirror talaga. So ayun guys, no? Yun yung isa pa sa mga sa mga advice na I could give you. So always check. Hindi lang siya advisable sa motor, ha? Pati sa car. Maganda rin itong advice na to. Guys, dito na tayo sa may Talaba. Napaka-init, pawis na aking kilikili. Pero pogi pa rin tayo. Joke only. Baka mga pikon kayo. Happy 2K subs pala, no? Maraming salamat. Sabi yung kumagat si RC Gear. So dito tayo sa St. Dominic. So what is the number 4 guys that I could give you, or advice I could give, so that always tayong safe sa road and lagi tayong masaya na makakauwi sa ating pamilya, is what? Ano ba yun? Kailangan guys, i-limit mo. Meron kang certain speed na kaya mong confident ka mag-brake. Parang meron kang limit na speed. Lagyan mo ng limit yung speed mo. Kung ano ba yung limitation mo, ano skills mo, ng kakayahan mo as a driver. Alam mo yung sa sarili mo kung ano yung limit mo na speed. Ako kasi ang limit ko sa sarili ko is 150 kph. Pag 150 kph, hindi na ako yan sumalagpas kasi alam ko sa sarili ko na more than that, hindi ko kaya mag-brake bigla-bigla in a short distance. For example, mga 15 meters, 10 meters, hindi ko kaya mag-brake pagka mga 150 kph pataas, hindi ko kaya. Pero unlike kung pataas, mga ganon na kph, halimbawa 150, yan yung limit ko. Alam kong kaya ko mag-brake ng mabilisan whenever may tatawid na tanga or what, kaya ko, confident ako doon. Yun yung fourth tip na bibigay ko, no, para lagi tayong safe. Yun, lagyan mo ng limit yung kakayahan mo, or alaman mo yung limit speed mo na kaya mong i-handle, para kapag dumagpas ka na doon, or more than that, hindi ka na mag-speeding pa more, diba? Parang ganun. Pagas muna tayo. Gano'n kaya papagas natin? Kuya, ano po? Premium, 300. What do you think, kuya? Apaw na ba? Kaya? Woo! Okay. Thank you. So guys, kapapagas ng pulit natin 6,084. Ayan, alright, nakapagpa full tank na tayo. So guys, for the 5th tip, no? So for the last tip na bibigay ko para sa inyo, para safe talaga kayo laging bumiyahe, is what? Kailangan guys, ito, hindi na sa pagmumotor, pagdadrive, sa buhay, no? Every time guys, bago tayo umalis sa ating bahay, is what? We should always pray, no? We should always seek for Lord's guidance, pare. Kasi alam mo, kung wala si Lord sa ating buhay, mahirap. Kaya yun guys, ang number 5 tip na may bibigay ko sa inyo, whenever you will leave your home, always pray. Example, Lord, sana po for this biyahe, babayan niyo po ako, huwag niyo po pabayaan, and thank you po sa lahat. So yun yung mga advice ko sa inyo na fixed advice. Always seek guidance of the Lord and protection. And yun, hindi lang sa buhay natin na-apply, sa daily life din maganda siyang i-apply. And then always be thankful. Ayun lang, diba? Ano ba naman yung magdasal ka pa pagka-alis ka, diba? So yun, always seek for Lord or God's guidance, okay? So yun lang guys, yung top 5 tips ko na may bibigay sa inyo whenever you are driving, whether it's a car or a motorcycle, based on my experience lang naman. So dito ko natatapusin yung vlog na to guys. I'm here na on Bacoor, Cavite, bahay na rin ako. So maraming salamat sa panonood guys. If you actually love this content, please hit the like button and the notification bell para updated ka sa mas marami pa nating videos. Yun lang guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. This is Sailor John, and drive it sa lahat, and I'm out.